YouTube's actually really easy if you want to grow. Just upload 100 videos, and I want you to intentionally use bad titles and even worse thumbnails. I created 6 new channels this year. After being on YouTube since 2011, I have got tens of millions of views, hundreds of millions of impressions. I deleted everything last year because I was burnt out. So I'm putting this advice to use myself on 6 different channels. And what I do is I just crank out a video every single day on all 6 of my channels. Like, YouTube is literally that easy. Everybody telling you to try and make you the perfect thumbnails and perfect titles and to research is wasting your time, because that only works if you're really good at YouTube and you can successfully predict exactly which titles and thumbnails and research is going to be worth your time. If you're not that good at YouTube, which most YouTubers aren't, and for most people trying YouTube, they quit within their first 27 videos or so. So if you can upload over 100 videos, you are already far past almost everybody else. And yes, you do need to make your channels about a specific subject. That's why I have a Jerry Banfield gaming channel, a Jerry Banfield YouTube coach channel, Jerry Banfield ICP, crypto reviews, dating, and then just a general channel. So you do need to split your topics up, and your topics should all be one kind of thing that you could do indefinitely. But from there, just upload. I've seen channels getting thousands of views per video. They literally are just sitting at a desk with a webcam and a microphone and talking. And the thumbnails, literally the easiest thing you do, like I said in one of my recent videos, is just take the very first screenshot, the first frame of your video, and use that as a thumbnail, or let it use any auto-generated image. What many of you are doing on YouTube is you're making things too hard on yourselves. You're trying to make perfect thumbnails and perfect titles, and the goal is to make the most videos in the least amount of time getting started. And this is what almost nobody is telling you for some reason. You should make 100 videos, and ideally, this should take you 50 hours or less total. I am able to film like 10 videos in 3 hours, and that's across different channels with different topics. I just use AI, like ChatGPT just generated this thumbnail effortlessly for me. I'm like, just generate something like this. It just communicates a simple point. You know what the video is about, and I have a green screen set up already. Where you're going to go wrong on YouTube is trying to go for a higher level than you're capable of. Even with me uploading tens of thousands of videos, I still have the humility to admit that, I'm not sure what works most of the time to actually get views. That often videos, some of my videos that have gotten the highest amount of views have been ones that I did like nothing on. For example, League of Legends, I paid this coach 30 euros in 2016 to coach me on Skype for an hour, and then I live streamed that. The thumbnail was like just a crappy screenshot of me tiny in the corner with the League of Legends loading background. The first 2 minutes of the live stream were awkward, like this coach getting on Skype, me saying hi. Like, this was really poorly done. And I got 800,000 views. And it built me an entire League of Legends audience by itself with one video. And what you can see from that is that just trying and experimenting and going off the top of your head and being creative, you can get away with a sloppy thumbnail and a poorly recorded video if you just kind of follow your ideas. But the one thing that will stop you every time is trying to do it perfect. Now, if you're MrBeast and you've been on YouTube as long as me, and you've got an entire team around you, and you can get a whole bunch of help and predict and have huge amounts of data, that's one thing, but that's not you. If you don't have any of that, you got to think time efficiency. There's nothing more important than time efficiency. And that is to give the viewer the best you can as fast as possible, because your most scarce resource is time. And what you're not going to do is you're not going to keep doing YouTube. Like when I first started, it took so long just to get like a 5 or 10 minute video up, because I'd record it on a camera and then I try and put the audio together. It's a mess. Literally, one of the easiest things you can do is just whip your phone out and start talking at your phone. If you have to hold it like here, you don't have a microphone, just shout. Shout at your phone so the audio comes through clearly, and then upload that. Whatever you can do to keep it as easy and as simple as possible, getting started will really help you go the distance. Because if you don't go the distance, if you don't keep going and keep trying, you're never going to scratch the surface. So if you really want to make things easier, what you can do is go to jerrybanfield.com and join the Jerry Banfield family. I have a membership community where I will be there to constantly help and support you. You get a call one-on-one with me when you join. Go there, join my community, ask me all the questions. Get a mentor if you want YouTube to be easier, who is very available, very approachable, and that will make all this process easier. Make videos, get a mentor. I'm here for you.